Hello, everyone. Canam Canadian Universities and Colleges WebDirect Fair will be taking place virtually between 15th to 23rd April 2022, and George Brown College from Toronto City of Canada will be participating in it. Our campuses are located in downtown Toronto. That is Canada's biggest and most diverse city and a hub for business, media, arts, healthcare, technology, and innovation. We offer 160 plus undergraduate and postgraduate programs in business, hospitality and culinary arts, early childhood education and community services, design and information technology, construction and engineering technologies, and many more. Canam Consultants is one of the leading education and career consulting companies to assist international students for education options in Canada. If you are interested to know more about George Brown College programs, admission requirements, and process to apply, please register at link provided in description, or please visit canamgroup.com to know the registration process. We look forward meeting you during these virtual events. Thank you.